Hey guys, it's Molly and it's 1 Minute Wednesday where we heat print together. So here's a hoodie we're printing, here's a pillow to help us with isolation, and here's our DTF transfer. Let's go. So we're putting the hoodie onto the lower platen and we're putting the pillow in to help with isolation from the pocket. Then we're going to get our release paper. We place our release paper on the bottom to cover the garment. Now we're pre-pressing that for 5 seconds. Remove our release paper, get our DTF transfer. The Ultra Colour Max, it goes down for 145 degrees, press for 12 seconds. Put our release paper back on it. Now we're pressing that for 12 seconds. Remove our release paper, and this is a hot peel. And we can remove our garment, and we've heat printed a hoodie.